How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm gonna do how to get rid of chubby cheeks, the ultimate tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. So first exercise we're gonna do is we're gonna pull the cheeks in like this. "30, keep going. Okay, 50 reps, perfect. Then you're gonna take our chin, lift it up, and open our mouth like this. Perfect, 50 reps. So that is the first set. It's not the workout, first set. I want you to take a 1-minute break and redo it. In total, you'll do 10 sets, which is insane. It is very, very difficult to workout. I've been doing this workout for over 5 years. You can do this workout every single day. Monday to Sunday, you can do it every single day. No rest periods or anything. This workout should take you about 15 to 30 minutes, depending on how fast you go with the exercises. In total, though, each exercise you'll do 500 repetitions. So in total, 1,000 repetitions. Your jaw will be sore. Your jaw, your cheeks, everything will be really, really sore. That's good. That's what we're trying to do. Some people will not be able to finish the workout. It's just too hard to do. So just comment below. Let me know if you finished the workout. Let me know if you thought it was good. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching.